Okay, so we're gonna try this one more time because every time I try to do this, something happens. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Danielle, but you can call me Danni, and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way, doing all these shows.
Alright guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I customized my first wig using the glued method. So if you want to learn how to customize your own wig on a budget, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started with the star of the show. This will be our glue. We're going to be using the one from Salon Pro to be gluing our tracks today. Next, let's go ahead and grab some combs for parting, combing the hair, things like that. Go ahead and grab some needle and thread while you're at it. I love to use the curved needle. This is going to be the weaving cap that we use today. This is going to be the Luxe multi-use weaving cap. Got it from Sally's. The hair that we're going to be using today is going to be from Outre. This is called the Boutique Rogue Deep Body Wave Hair. It comes with an 18-inch, two 20 inches, and one 22-inch. The package of hair also comes with a closure. This is going to be a 4-inch deep parting closure. Also guys, I forgot to mention that you do need a hair dryer for this look as well, so let's go ahead and grab one. Anyone will do. Last but not least, let's go ahead and grab our mannequin head as well as some T-pins to place the tracks on the mannequin heads while we glue them. Let's get started. So last minute, I decided to go ahead and grab this plastic Walmart bag to put over my mannequin head before I put on my cap. I'm doing this because I don't want my glue to stick onto my mannequin head, destroying my mannequin head and making it difficult to pull off the wig once we're finished. Next, you just want to go ahead and take your T-pins and pin your cap down. This is going to help secure it while we glue on our tracks and closure. Next, go ahead and grab your closure. We just want to measure it up, making sure that it's going to be pretty centered of our head. Once we figure out a great position for it, go ahead and grab some more T-pins and go ahead and secure this baby on down. Once you have your closure pinned down, go ahead and grab your needle and thread because we're about to go ahead and sew this baby down. I'm just going in through the cap, out through the closure, and I'm repeating that same step. Now, if this step doesn't work for you, going through the cap and out through the closure, do whatever you like, but make sure it's just comfortable for you. Now here guys, I went ahead and switched up my sewing pattern. So now I'm going through the closure and out through the cap. And like I said, it's whatever's comfortable for you guys. As long as it's secure, sew down how you like it, that's all that really matters. And at the end guys, mine is looking like this. It's nice, secure, tight. I don't think it's gonna shift around too much, so I'm happy. Now guys, we just want to go ahead and grab our bundles. First, you just want to measure each hair piece out just to make sure it's going to fit on the cap the way that you like it. Once you know it's going to fit, go ahead and clip it to that size. Take a T-pin. I like to T-pin one side in while I glue it, and I press and I hold. Then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my blow dryer. Blow dry it, make sure that it's really secure and stuck onto the cap. And I'm just going to repeat the same method. It's really that simple. So again guys, just measure the hair, glue on the track, press down, blow dry, repeat. As we get further up the head guys, I'm taking one side of the track and I'm stretching it all the way over to the other side of the head. That way it just kind of layers a little bit better, I feel. So at this point guys, I actually started to run out of hair, unfortunately. So I am actually going back through. I'm taking some tracks from the bottom that I think I kind of laid a little too close together, and I'm taking those tracks and I'm putting them up to the top. Yes, we have finally reached the top of our head, guys. That wasn't too bad, I hope. This is what the top of my head is looking like. It's good just to take your blow dry through everything and make sure everything is just dried completely down. I'm noticing that the hair is a little bit thin and I can kind of see some tracks. Hopefully, once we comb out this closure, it won't look like that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and unbraid that braid that my closure was in. I'm also just going to grab some water. That way it makes it easier for me to comb through this hair. We're just going to see kind of how these curls are falling and see if we can do anything else to them. I did notice that the hair looked kind of dry, so I just went ahead and grabbed some hot 6 oil to put throughout the entire head. The reason why we're doing this is because it's going to, one, make it more easy to comb through, and it's also just going to bring those curls back to life as well. Now, you do want to make sure that you're not using too much, just a couple of drops. Put it in your hand, spread it throughout your palm, and go ahead and run your hands through the hair. Okay, so the curls look like they're coming back somewhat, so I'm kind of liking this a little bit more. It is a little difficult for this to comb through, so I don't know. I think it's just the hair itself. I mean, it was like $20, so you do get what you pay for. Alright, now it's time to just go ahead and carefully remove your cap. You want to make sure you take off all your T-pins because you do not want to pull this too much because something could break very easily. After you have slowly pulled off your plastic bag from your cap, go ahead and flip your cap inside out. That way you can better look at your cap, look at what you've created. Ain't this dope, y'all? I'm so proud of y'all. That is so good. Anyway, you want to go ahead and cut where you see that lace is and that empty cap space. Go ahead and grab some scissors and just cut that little baby on off. Voila, you have created your own wig. I am so proud of you. Hey, turn it. Let's try it on, y'all. Oh, right. I'm about to get out of here because I'm feeling myself too much, you know. See, feeling myself. This is going to be the final product of my wig. I'm really proud of it. I'm not going to lie. There was some mishaps, like definitely with the parting and trying to pluck this here, baby. Definitely had some problems with that. The hair itself definitely feels like some hair that's gonna get tangled after a while. but I really want to do this just to like see if I can even do this method in general. So now that I know I can, I definitely want to experiment more with like maybe some more expensive hair or some hair that I feel like won't tangle very much or shed, because this baby has been shedding a lot. There's some hair right there, you know. So tell me what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys like this method, if you're gonna try it yourself, go ahead and tag me in it. I want to see some videos, some pictures, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my next videos. They're gonna be lit. If you want to subscribe now just to go ahead and join Danni's world, join the family. Good time over here. Kind of rambling. Alrighty, okay, we're just gonna close this out, finish it up. Done, finish, out, bye, peace, love you. Ah!